Hello and welcome. Let us discuss this question that was there in the year 2017. The question is, biological oxygen demand is a standard criterion for A. Measuring oxygen levels in blood, B. Computing oxygen levels in forest system, C. Pollution assay in aquatic ecosystem, and D. Assessing oxygen levels in high altitude regions. Now, as far as biological oxygen demand is concerned, it is basically the amount of dissolved oxygen present in a water body or aquatic system, which is required for breaking down organic matter by aerobic organisms, that is organisms that requires O2 oxygen for respiration, and they break down the organic matter present in the water body. Now, as far as BOD is concerned, BOD declines or biological oxygen demand increases when there is more pollution in the water body, and pollution, that too organic pollution. For example, if there is algal bloom in the water body. Algal bloom is basically when there is increase of algae like blue-green algae. Blue-green algae when increases, the biological oxygen demand also increases. That is, the fish species, there is less oxygen available for them if there will be more blue-green algae. So, if more algae, then less oxygen for fish, hence the BOD will increase, the biological oxygen demand will increase, the demand will increase for the aquatic ecosystem. So, because of eutrophication is basically when nutrients are added into water, nutrients are added through rivers into the sea or through runoff from agricultural fields, they can be added into water body. So, these agricultural runoff, they basically have more nitrogen, and because of this there is algal bloom, and because of this there is less oxygen available for other species, and hence increase in biological oxygen demand. So, this represents pollution assay in aquatic ecosystem. Similarly, there is another term known as chemical oxygen demand. This chemical oxygen demand also signifies that for any chemical reaction to happen in any marine ecosystem or any water body, then what is the amount of oxygen that is required. So, it also increases with the increase in pollution. So, both BOD and COD are related to pollution assay in aquatic ecosystem, hence C is the correct answer. Thank you.